Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account on BitMEX using Bitcoin. In previous tutorials, we funded and withdrew from our account using tethered tokens on different networks. Now we plan to use Bitcoin. To do this, click on the trade option on this page and then go to the wallet section on this page. On the wallet page, click on the deposit option. On this page, in the first section, you need to select Bitcoin, and the destination address will be shown to you. The minimum deposit amount is displayed here, and you should only send Bitcoin to this address. If you send any other assets, your funds will be lost. Open your wallet app on your mobile phone. Select the desired coin, which is Bitcoin, and click on Send. In the first field, enter the destination address, and in the second field, enter the amount you want to deposit, then click on Next. On the next page, the sender address, recipient address, transaction fee, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking Confirm and entering your password, the payment will be processed. After the transaction is completed, on this page you can click on the monitoring option to view more details about your transaction. After a few minutes, you'll see that the deposit has been successfully completed, and you can view the deposited balance in your BitMEX wallet. To see the details of this transaction, you can also view the full details of this deposit in the transaction history section. That was the tutorial on depositing to BitMEX using Bitcoin. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.